Or last week I started the pod with a vlog shirtless. This week I started the pod with a jersey on, just like I ended the last video actually abruptly. Back home from grocery shopping, and dude, we were down like crazy, and it's 30-30 still. Yeah, the Seahawks got the ball, bro. What the fuck is going on? Sorry. Easy, I'm sorry. I'll bring it down. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. Most annoying thing happened to me at Walmart. So I
do a lot of like the little disposable cameras.
These motherfuckers called me November 1st. I literally looked up the phone call, and it said November 1st.
We need to hire like robots, honestly. People are complaining about jobs. The people working these jobs, like, you're looking for pictures, dog. Like, come on, give me my damn pictures anyways.
And like, dude, bruh, also, quality of customer service at Walmart, all-time low. It was insanity. Damn, I got a double chin right there. Oh, I also got a haircut. Looking handsome.
Also, to add insult to injury, check out this amaryllis bulb. Dude, it's full-on moldy, bruh. It showed up like this. Well, it wasn't this bad. I was supposed to take it today, but I'm just gonna take it tomorrow to get a refund. But dude, it's straight up moldy. I can't even see it because I'm not just recording the ground. But look at this, bruh. I'm like, Doc. Literally mold. And it's like squishy. What the hell is this? Imagine if I would have gifted this.
It's moldy, bro. And it took like forever to get here. That's why it's moldy probably. Hey, actually just goes to show the weather is so queashed right now. Like it's bad. It's...
We're gonna worry about the weather some more. Worry about the wrong things, because what the heck is going on?
Oh yeah. Just doing it up, baby. I'll tell you what. I'm stoked for the day that I finally get to design my own kitchen to my liking.
Because I've always had to deal with kitchens that I didn't design, as per like 98% of the pop, you know?
I'm gonna have my island sink be like one of those straight up almost industrial ass sinks, you know what I'm saying? And then my view out from my covering, it's gonna be, so my living room will be kind of lower. There would probably be like 3 to 4 stairs. Big slider, and I'll have a nice big ass island. I don't know. I want to be able to look out and over, and like if I have guests over, and even if they're standing up, I want to see over their heads, you know what I'm saying? So then, like I said, I want one of those like industrial like dish areas, but the reason why I want it to be big is because I want it to be able to cut and wash like in a fluid motion, and then rinse, boom, into the pot, you know what I'm saying? My stove will be behind me, but soon enough, baby, we're making dreams happen. And you think how that's like super hard? It's honestly not hard. Even if you're not like, even if it's like you can easily remodel now. Oh, false alarm! I thought I saw an interception. It was
a parfait. Oh. I didn't get blueberries either. See?
Someone say. Wait! Whoa! I'm out here blabbering and I missed it.
Queashed.
Send 64, Lakes champion. What does he say after that?
Seahawks have to score a touchdown now because Puka just scored a touchdown, which is good for me in fantasy, bad for the Seahawks. Hey, I counted them out earlier, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, and they came back to what they're doing right now.
Puka's disgusting.
Oh, I have broccoli. Should I eat? Yeah, I'm gonna have broccoli because.
Oh, I'm also super high strung and overstimulated because tomorrow I go to Seattle. I'm driving to Seattle in the AM because I'm gonna catch Lyny at Showbox Soto. We had snow. bus. I hope you know.
I'm not a bus. Hope you know. The chokehold that sweet potatoes have on me. Oh my gosh. Yes, baby, yes.
Watch what I'm about to do to this broccoli.
I'm about to do some craziness to this broccoli.
What's going on? What's going on? Did we score? Did we just score? We just scored. Gang.
Make a comeback right now and win this motherfucking game, baby! Let's go! I am so overstimulated.
Let's see what's gonna go down. Who's gonna win? Are we winning this game? This game, maybe? Sam, what do you got for me? Tell me what you got.
That's 2-point play.
Tell me what you got, big dog. Show me what you got.
They changed the formation. Three to the right. Corner in motion. Darnold throws.
Let's go! Let's fucking go, baby! Let's go! Let's go, we going up, baby. We going the fuck up, player. Ain't that right, Nico? Huh? We turning the fuck up, huh? Come on. Sorry, yeah, I mean, he's probably scared. He's like wondering what the hell's going on with me.
Dude, I cannot believe I have literally rotten Amaryllis bowl, bro. That makes me hella sad, bro. I'm gonna get on the horn with Walmart and give them a piece of my patience, because if I call them all pissy and bitchy, they're probably gonna give me the same energy. And guess what? Guess who's in control right now? Them. Why? Those are the ones that I want them to either give me a refund or find my film, because film camera from APOG, the beginning of the summer essentially. I'm pretty sure Morgan Wallen, Buns. That was a sick ass concert. People hate on Morgan, dude. He's made mistakes. I've made mistakes. I've been like contemplating getting him because he needs drip. He ain't drippy, you know. He needs some drip. Broccoli, fuck ton of broccoli, sweet potato, one whole sweet potato, a whole chicken thigh sauteed in garlic, salt, pepper, honey, and and paprika and a little bit of turmeric. Banana, Greek yogurt. Got this from my boss for all my hard work this year. A Yeti. And it's only like 24 ounces, dude.
Buster. Whoa, holy shit. This is, you forgot to take the tax. $41? 42 bucks, bruh? For this? 35 ounces. What? Cottonmouth. Yeti.
I realized like the best way to get away from people is to get way up where it's difficult to get to.
I just got to North Bend. I am going to run into this cafe that I like to go to. I'm gonna take my little notepad here with me. My book. I don't know, should I gatekeep it? I kind of want to gatekeep it, but yeah, it's not even that deep. It's called Heartwood Cafe. It's really cute. They have good matcha. They have really good pastries. I am here. What am I gonna start? I know exactly what I'm gonna get. Good morning, how are we doing? Thank you. I'm gonna start for sure with the cinnamon roll. For here, please. And then I'm gonna do a matcha, please. 16 hot. Awesome. Yes, that works perfectly fine. And then I'm gonna do a breakfast burrito, bacon, please. Yeah. Or actually, ultimate. Yeah. Please and thank you. Cute area. Got a nice little Christmas tree here. Got the Christmas time. It's awesome. in the bathroom, they have like little portraits or paintings that an artist has done. Look how pretty these are. There's an otter. That one's cool. Bunny looks kind of pissed off. It's the bat bunny. Look at that. That one's really cool. Killer whale. Look at these. Oh. They just called it from our launcher. Oh, it's right here. Oh. The spread, but also the burrito. These cinnamon rolls are the best.
It's called 19.
I love coming here. Heartwood Cafe in North Bend. It's the best. It's beautiful. The ambiance is great. I've never been in here when it's this busy though, so it's kind of cool. And I'm glad that they're doing good. It's always a plus.
So let's assume I put this.
Here we got Santa. Sucks. Just got into Seattle. I'm crossing fucking the Mercer Island Bridge right now. This always shout out to Seahawks. That's Lumen Field right there. You can't really see it because there's a tree in the way. Look at that guy. Oh, it's a GT4! Oh my gosh! We just pulled up to the trap house out here in Ballard. Insanity. Nah, but I'm going to, what is it called? Shawarma King.
Ground beef.
Give me the kofta, please. The plate, please. Yeah. For here. Grape leaf that they wrap, and it's like there's like rice in there and stuff. No, cool. It's all good. Just the plate. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. But now they're like a growing brand. Yeah. The shawarma plate, but I'm a firm believer nothing good happens after 12 o'clock, so beautiful. Thank you. Yes. Look at that. This is everything I wanted it to be and more. It's made from real milk from California cows. It's halal. And the cows aren't treated with RSB or RBT or RBST, which is this like hormone imbalance chemical. It's crazy. It's wild, but you don't know that you're putting in your body. My battery's gonna die, so it's gonna be into this until I go home. So, peace. This is me after Lyny. It was honestly so fun. I had such a good time. I remembered why I go to raves alone. I'm in North Bend again. I'm about to pump some gas. And taking a legal leak somewhere because I have to go potty super bad. But honestly, like I said, I had so much damn fun, bro. What's going on here? You're telling me these aren't open? What the hell is this? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get gas. Remove code quickly. They said don't remove. Alright, I'll be right back. Yay. Alright, excuse me. That was whack. This pump works, so we're good. Lyny was awesome. The openers were okay. I didn't really know them from the start. The first guy's name is Holly or Holy, I'm not really sure. Was honestly pretty fucking good. The next guy, just a gent, he was cool too. I just, you know, to each their own. But Lyny, bro, it was so cool, and it was dope because he talked about how when the last time he came, he had a lot of fun, and it was he opened up for Zingara and LS Dream during. Was it LZ? No, I don't think it was LZ, but it was, the Zingara was there too, and it was, oh, dude. And then he like was like hella grateful and shit, you know. And you know when he was like the DJ like fully vibes with like the moment is in there and encapsulated, and it's just great and beauty, and then everybody's in the same thing. It's awesome. It was so much fun. But yeah, now I'm it's 222. It's 222 right now.
It's 222. It's 222 right.
I'm on my way home. Gas is 387 right now. Sick, boss. Traction tires. You need to have traction tires or chains unless you don't have all-wheel drive or something like that are required. So shout out 4Runner, shout out Toyota. We're gonna chug home. Like I said, it's 222 o'clock.
222. It's 222 right now.
I had a good time. I took cool videos too, so TikTok should be on the flash. Look for those. I'll insert some here too, but yeah. It was a good time. It was a good time. Oh, I don't rail ride ever. I was on the rail the whole time. From start to finish. It's crazy, bro. But luckily for the first like 2 hours, the two guys, I was all spaced out. But once Lyny came out, I started just ripping it. My space got smaller. But I took some cool pictures. I used the disposable. There's something about a disposable, man. You know, everybody gets stoked when the disposable comes out. It's the best. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this girl offered to take a picture of me with my disposable. It was honestly really cute. But nah, I do it for the vibes. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to. I don't necessarily always want to capture myself. All in all, just vibes. Shout out Lyny. Lyny, you did great, bro. Literally beautiful. Masterpiece. Please take your receipt. I don't want the receipt. Receipts have BPA. I don't want that stuff. Check this out. I'm about to fart. I might rip another one. I don't want it inside my car, so I'm gonna. Yo, low key, my hair is not. It's not all that crazy. Nah, it looks pretty crazy. I'm back on. Shout out Terry for the fade. Still looking clean. No receipt. Let's go. Pretty neat. I got my own fucking Escort out here with the shout out Wash Dot. Fuck yeah, hell yeah. Not fucking bad. I made it home. I am home. My dog. He's dazed and confused. It's like 4 in the morning. I need to get one of those extendo lighters because I keep charring my finger. Nice. Ah. I don't think I ever lost traction. Shout out the Toyota 4Runner because it is a Titzman is. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Shout out. Another shout out, Ghost and Yerba Mate, because I had a Ghost before the show. Oh, by the way, this show I did completely sober. Bull. No, that's a lie. I smoked a joint in that bitch. I had the joint like this, like in my hand with like the joint facing this way, and I lit it like this, right? And then I'm like vibing, dancing, pick puff, boom, back down, It was so sick. This dude looked at me and I knew he wanted to hit the joint, but he had situational awareness. He didn't ask, and he didn't make me feel uncomfortable. Because if he would have asked, I would have been like, "Here, dude, hit it real quick," and I would have had to like do that to him for him. Because I wouldn't have done it any other way. Which, hey, you be you. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. I like to dance. I am cuddly. I am like loving. But when we're at the concert, the occasional like hug or embrace of like a strong like embrace is all par for me, but like actually like sitting there like dancing and grinding together, that's not really my thing like at all. Like I want to be able to like, if I want to like hit this one and then when I drop it down, God, it scared me. I thought someone was coming in. But yeah, like I'm not trying to be like, I mean, I'll dance, we can dance and we can do a little bit of grinding if you want, you know, but I'm not out here trying to like grind with you, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about you, but I can dance. I can get boogie down, you know what I'm saying? I got rhythm. Shout out my mom. Dude, it's funny. I found Kazu and Dennett both on whatchamacallit, on SoundCloud, and never like put two together, but I've been following Dennett on TikTok since like he started, and I didn't even know they were the same people. He has a super sick Don Toliver song, and how do you like a bacon scrunchie? Good idea. I like one like this. How like it's like some of it's like super crunchy, and the other some of the flake, some of it's not. You know. But anyways, I've been following that fool. He's opening for Alley Cat. Oh, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna get dressed or shower, and then go to the gym, and then I have grocery shopping to do. I have to finalize my Christmas shopping, and then I might ask my buddy to go to dinner. Last week we went to lunch. I'll see if he wants to go get dinner today or something. But peace. Sun in here. Showered. Took my dog on a nice little walk. I'm not naked. I got a towel on. This is the fit. Got the camo pants. Oh shit. With the SBs. SB dunks. Don't mind that pile of clothes. I'm gonna do laundry today. Pretty fly, honestly. I dig these. Hold on. Alright. Come on. Doesn't like that because he's old. He's an old fart. Ain't he an old fart? Check out this little guy that I found. Look at this little guy. Look at him. I broke his arm, so I had to buy this one. I dropped him on the floor. So I was like, I felt guilty, so I bought him. And the note card says, the Scarecrow Gnome. This little Scarecrow Gnome lives underground most of the year. Resurfacing to the fields, he protects the crops when fall is near. A symbol of hope and prosperity and the good luck that he'll bring. Through harvest time and always, he's a friend to every living thing. Hell yeah. That's adorable. We just got to Daroga. I came to Daroga State Park, actually, and there is a requirement to like buy a Discover Pass or whatever. And I don't know why I started whispering right there. Oh, comes this clearing. That guy. But yeah, look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. It's like cute right there. I'm gonna get a quick. You know what I'm saying? Hello. Come here. Hey, buddy. Where are you going? Yeah, we'll let down the water in just a second. Just chilling. Right here, Yeah. He's gonna need a bath soon. And these are always like within reach. And I like it. That's why I like watching. Look at this man's. He is not German Shepherd, he's a shark. Right? You're not a German Shepherd. He's a shark. It's so cute to me. Yeah, he's enjoying it. It's crazy that he does that. One time he swam to like the middle of the Columbia River chasing a snake. The snake bit his tongue twice, and that was a nice little vet meal for me. Yeah, Sundays are for cooking a special meal for yourself. And the bears, yeah. Oh, sick, dude. Awesome. That was so cool. I think it's either a barn hawk or a red tail. I don't even know if I picked any of that up, but that was so cool. It's kind of scared me. Damn, she's big. That was really cool. That was really cool. Oh, I love the Northwest. I love hawks. I love predator birds, raptors. Oh, there's another one! Look at. Where's she going? Oh, she's flying away, dang it. Or he is. That's so cool. There's two of them, and I think that's the baby. Now that I think about it, that was probably the mom. This is the baby. No, yes, because she's taking off to distract me, so I follow her. That was cool. That was cool, baby. Baby, mom, baby, and mama, you guys are safe around me, boss. I have no intent to harm you. My dog, honestly, can't catch you because you're flying, so you're safe. Look at this, there's ducks out there. I just saw two hawks, dude. That was awesome. That was awesome. The noise honestly startled me for sure. I was very confused for a second. But see, yeah, hey, actually, but you know that America, fuck yeah, and then it's like an eagle, and it's like, yeah. Well, actually, that noise I hear is a hawk. Eagles like chirp, like they're honestly kind of annoying, low key. I don't remember which president was trying to make the turkey our bird, but like people are like, eagle's sick, dude. The turkey, bruh. I mean, I would think about that shit too. Like a turkey has her, but bro, if you ever hunt a turkey, you know they're fucking turkeys are badass. They're a bitchin'. Big old birds. They're honestly really pretty. They're a strong bird too. Like that, it kick your ass. You know, you take one of those talons to the, not talons, what are they called? The spurs to the eye, bro. Your eye's gone. They should have put an eagle and a turkey in a cage and see who won, and then called it then. Cause that'd be a cool story. Yeah, we picked our national bird with animal abuse by using it. That's crazy. Oh, check it out. Cataclysmic floods. You were standing in the very pathway of the largest flood in North America. They lasted for days, sometimes traveling at high speeds. Damn, we're flooding right now, so this thing can happen again potentially. That way, this is what it used to be, huh? Or no. There's a gravel bar right there in the middle. Can't see it because of the sun's. Oh, they got little scopes, dude. Can't see shit out this thing, dude. Like, come on, dog. What are you doing? What kind of trickery is this? Like, dude, get real. Here's our reference. Each finger is about 10 to 15, depending on how fat your fingers are. 10 to 15 minutes time elapsed. So, and if you're doing it this way, 1, 2, 2.5 hands. So, what is that? 80. 80 is 220. That's what's 100. About 100 minutes. But this is the conclusion of my walk. Damn, I'm puffing and huffing, dude. Holy, I don't be ripping the. You can tell I don't do any cardio. Like, damn, son. That's insane. Get over this clearing right here. Look at this guy. Look how lucky that guy is. His crib on the water. In a bluff, no, like that's so cool. That eddy, that's awesome. Look at that. That's probably all his, besides the park, you know. But dude, I'd dig that. That's chill with me. Mom's calling. Mother.